This is our best-selling skeleton mechanical watch. Starmail mechanical watch. A variety of colors and styles to meet the different preferences of different styles and different occasions of the crowd choice. 316L stainless steel square watch case. Transparent back cover design. Rubber curved belt. More in line with the Restart. 316L stainless steel folding buckle. Double folding security clasp. Classic ingenuity from the details. Stylish thread dial. Japanese mechanical movement. High-intensity luminous function. Even in the dark can read accurately. Consult us to get more details. Pay attention to us. Learn more watches and accessories.